Hello everyone. Welcome to today's video. Want to become confident ethical hacker and clear your certification exam on your first attempt? IP Specialist has crafted a complete structured learning and practice package to take you from beginner to expert, combining real-world labs, AI-powered tools, and clear learning resources to guide your preparation and build practical skills for your career. In this video, I'll walk you through each product included in this all-in-one ethical hacking package, explaining how it helps you learn essential concepts, practice with real scenarios, revise efficiently, and master the art of ethical hacking. But before you move on with the session, make sure that you have subscribed to IP Specialist on YouTube and don't forget to hit the bell icon for updates. Now, before we dive into the complete learning package, let's take a moment to understand why ethical hacking is so important today and why the certification matters for your cybersecurity career. In a world where cyber threats are growing rapidly, ethical hacking skills empower you to identify vulnerabilities before attackers do. You learn to think like an attacker so you can defend systems effectively. Now, this skill is not only critical for organizations looking to protect their data, but it is also highly valued in the cybersecurity job market. The ethical hacking AI powered certification, often referred to by its code 312 50, is a globally recognized credential that validates your ability to perform penetration testing, assess vulnerabilities, and understand countermeasures across various systems, networks, and applications. It equips you with the practical skills and theoretical knowledge required to advance in cybersecurity, whether you aim to work in a SOC as a penetration tester or in cyber defense. To help you confidently pass this exam, IP Specialist offers this certification alongside a complete structured learning path that makes your preparation efficient, clear, and practice driven. Now that we have discussed why ethical hacking skills matter and how this certification can empower your cybersecurity career, let's see how IP Specialist makes your preparation stress free and structured. Preparing for a certification can feel overwhelming if you don't have a clear path. That's why this complete package is designed around a simple, effective learning structure. Learn the concepts, practice with hands on labs, revise and retain, pass your exam confidently. Each product in this package plays a specific role within this path, ensuring you don't miss any critical area while preparing. Here's how your learning journey will look with IP Specialist. First, you learn the concepts using Ethical Hacking Exam, Info Guide, Ethical Hacking Exam, AI Edition Study Guide, and Ethical Hacking Essential Concepts to build a strong foundation. Next, you'll practice with hands on labs using AI powered exam labs for ethical hacking and AI hacking tools essential for ethical hacking to gain real world practical skills. Then, you'll revise and retain using ethical hacking certification exam cram notes, ethical hacking exam countermeasures, and ethical hacking certification study cards to reinforce your knowledge and prep efficiently. Finally, after following this clear structured path, you'll be fully prepared to pass your ethical hacking exam with confidence and step forward in your cybersecurity career. By following this path, learn, practice, revise, and pass using IP Specialist Complete Package, you'll prepare in a structured, confident way, eliminating guesswork and stress from your ethical hacking certification journey. Now let's dive into each product one by one. We begin with the Ethical Hacking Exam Info Guide. To structure your preparation, IP Specialist offers the Ethical Hacking Exam Info Guide. Inside, you'll find a comprehensive overview of your certification objectives and key domains, effective study strategies to optimize your preparation time, insights on how AI is transforming ethical hacking practices, career advancement insights showing how certification can enhance your cybersecurity journey, exam day tips, including time management techniques. This guide is your orientation manual ensuring your preparation remains clear, organized, and focused on success. Next we have is Ethical Hacking Exam AI Edition Study Guide. This is your comprehensive all-in-one resource designed by cybersecurity experts to provide real-world hacking techniques and hands-on labs aligned with the latest cybersecurity advancement. This guide is structured across four key phases. Phase 1, reconnaissance and vulnerability analysis, including footprinting, scanning, enumeration, and vulnerability analysis. Phase 2, system exploitation and malware attacks, covering system hacking, malware, sniffing, social engineering, and denial of service. Phase 3, web and network exploitation, including session hijacking, bypassing IDS and firewalls, web server and application hacking, and SQL injection. Phase 4, advanced cybersecurity techniques, focusing on wireless hacking, mobile and IoT security, cloud security, and cryptography. Now, what makes this guide unique? 400 practice questions to test your understanding, 20 detailed mind maps to simplify complex concepts, 100 step by step hands on labs to build practical skills, exam tips, and a structured blueprint aligned with your certification path. So, whether you're a student, IT professional, or security enthusiast, this guide lays the foundation for mastering ethical hacking systematically. Next in your learning journey is Ethical Hacking Essential Concepts, designed to give you a strong foundation in ethical hacking before you move on into advanced labs and tools. This resource provides comprehensive coverage of everything you need to understand the essential of ethical hacking, from operating systems and networking basics to penetration testing and threat intelligence. It helps you build from theoretical knowledge and the ability to apply these concepts in the real world scenarios. So you learn how systems and networks work, how they're attacked, and how to protect them. The content is fully updated with the latest methodologies and best practices in cybersecurity, ensuring you're learning the techniques used in the industry today. Now, why is this resource valuable? This is perfect for beginners stepping into cybersecurity, strengthens your fundamentals before the exam, provides a clear, structured learning path, insights and tools you'll use throughout your career well beyond certification. If you're ready to master the foundations of ethical hacking, this guide will set you up for success in your certification journey and your cybersecurity career. The next resource is the AI powered exam labs for ethical hacking, offering a structured hands on lab environment with real world scenarios. These labs guide you through vulnerability assessment with footprinting, scanning, and enumeration, gaining access via system hacking, sniffing, malware analysis, and social engineering. Parameter and web app exploitation, including bypassing defenses and exploiting SQL injection. Advanced techniques like wireless and IoT hacking, mobile exploitation, and cryptography. Why is this unique? Labs are equipped with step by step instructions and screenshots for seamless practice. You get realistic AI powered simulations, preparing you for AI driven attack vectors. This structured approach ensures you build skills required for practical ethical hacking and penetration testing roles. The next step in your preparation journey is mastering AI powered tools for ethical hacking. And that's where AI hacking tools, essential for ethical hacking, comes in. This advanced, timely resource bridges the gap between traditional ethical hacking methods and the future of cybersecurity powered by artificial intelligence. The book is structured in a dual layer approach. In section 1, you'll learn how AI and large language models functions, how they can be attacked and how to defend them, all aligned with the certification domains. In section 2, you'll map this knowledge to real world AI powered tools, helping you apply these concepts practically in labs and your professional work. You'll discover how modern attackers and defenders use AI across ethical hacking domains such as reconnaissance, vulnerability analysis, social engineering, web application attacks, and malware threats. You'll also explore AI toolkits in action, learning how to automate tasks, enhance detection, and improve analysis across your hacking phases, making your workflow smarter and more efficient. Now, why is this resource valuable? It helps you prepare smarter with AI enhanced ethical hacking skills. It is ideal for ethical hacking candidates, red teamers, SOC analysts, and cybersecurity professionals. It keeps you ahead of evolving threat landscapes while learning practical, exam aligned techniques. It becomes a future ready toolkit you can rely on throughout your career. Next, we have the Ethical Hacking Certification Exam Cram Notes, your last minute study companion designed for quick, high impact revision. These notes provide blueprint aligned coverage, structured according to the official Ethical Hacking AI powered 312 50 exam blueprint covering all 20 modules. High yield content focuses only on key facts, techniques, tools, and terminologies that are most likely to appear on the exam. Quick recall format ideal for rapid review, perfect for your final prep days or revisiting weak areas. Mind maps and summaries. Visual aids and concise breakdowns make complex topics easier to understand and remember. Designed for experts. Written by cybersecurity professionals with real world experience and deep ethical hacking knowledge. If you're days away from your exam or revising weak areas, these cram notes act as your rapid review guide, ensuring your focus stays on what matters most for your certification. The next step in your preparation is building a strong defense mindset. And that's where the ethical hacking exam countermeasures guide comes in. While learning how attacks work is important, knowing how to prevent and respond to them is truly what makes you a well rounded cybersecurity professional. This resource is crafted to help you master defensive strategies across every domain of your certification. Inside, you'll find targeted countermeasures for each module, allowing you to tackle modern attack techniques with confidence. Real world defense strategies to harden networks, secure endpoints, protect sensitive data, and outsmart cyber threats. Actionable insights, configuration tips, and step by step remediation guides you can apply immediately. A resource you'll return to throughout your cybersecurity career, not just for passing your exam. From malware containment and DDoS mitigation to cloud security and social engineering prevention, this guide covers the defensive skills you need to apply confidently in real world scenarios. It helps you reinforce your understanding of offensive tactics while mastering the strategies to counter them effectively. If you want to build a defender's mindset and learn how to protect systems against real world attacks, the Ethical Hacking Exam Countermeasures Guide will equip you with the tools and confidence to defend with clarity and skill. For on the go learning and rapid retention, the Ethical Hacking Certification Study Cards are a powerful addition. These cards cover reconnaissance, scanning enumeration, malware, cryptography, wireless cloud, and IoT security. They are aligned with certification blueprint for focus study, and they enhance recall with concise, exam oriented content. So, whether you're commuting or need a quick refresher before practice, these study cards are your portable review tool, helping you reinforce critical tools and techniques easily. Together, these 8 resources form a complete ecosystem designed to help you learn ethical hacking thoroughly, practice effectively, and revise confidently to clear your certification exam on your first attempt. So, whether you're a student, IT professional, or cybersecurity enthusiast, this package is crafted to accelerate your journey in ethical hacking and help you build real world skills for a successful career. If you're ready to take your ethical hacking journey to the next level, explore this complete learning package with IP Specialist. So, are you ready to level up your ethical hacking career? Enroll in IP Specialist Ethical Hacking Certification course today and gain the skills, confidence, and credentials to stand out in the world of network and cloud security. You can also purchase our books directly from Amazon to reinforce your learning and stay exam ready. That concludes our session for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And also share it with your colleagues or friends who might benefit from this information. If you have any questions or topics that you would like us to cover in the future videos, feel free to leave a comment below. Your feedback is very valuable to us.